Let's do Vakrasana. Stretch your legs forward, straighten the legs and straighten your back and neck. Now bend right leg at knee and bring ankle and knee in one line. Raise left hand and push the knee. Bring elbow against the knee. Try to adjust. Now right hand back and twist. Keep your back straight and stay there for as long as you feel comfortable. Then slowly come back, release your leg. Let's do other side. Bend the left leg at knee, ankle and knee one line. Push the knee and press the elbow against the knee. Left hand back and twist the body. Keep your back straight and stay in this position for as long as you feel comfortable. Now slowly come back. So you can do this posture 2 to 3 times and stay in the pose for as long as you feel comfortable. Namaste.